In today's video, I'm going to talk about some of the useful shortcuts which you can use in Safari browser on daily basis. Now, before starting the video, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now, the first shortcut is related to home and end button, which is actually not present on a keyboard. So let's say if you are on a particular browsing page and now you are at the top of the page, and if you want to go down or at the bottom of the page, you need to scroll, right? So there is a shortcut to do this. You can directly go to the bottom of the page, and to do that, all you need to do is you need to press function key, which is the FN key plus the right arrow key. And if you do that, you will go to the bottom of the page. Now, if you want to go to top of the page, again press FN key plus left arrow to go at the top. Now, there is another shortcut for this. You can either use command plus down arrow to go at the bottom of the page, and at the same time if you press command plus up arrow, you will be at the top of the page. So I think this shortcut is definitely helpful for many of us. Now the next shortcut is related to creating a new browsing tab. So let's say if we are on one browsing tab for now, what we usually do is to create a new tab, we select this plus icon and we start a new page. But you don't have to do this. All you can do is you can start using shortcut. Now the shortcut to start a new page or new browsing tab is command plus T. So if you press command plus T, you can see we can start a new page or new browsing tab. If I press it once again it will create a new page. So you can create multiple new tabs or pages by using this shortcut. Now the next shortcut is for closing the browsing tab. Now you all know how to create a new browsing tab or how to start a new page, but you don't have to go on this X mark to close that tab. All you need to do is you need to press command plus W to close that particular tab. Make sure you are on that particular tab to close it. So let's say if I open Google over here, you can see it is showing Google. Now if I want to close this, I'm not going to select this X mark. I'm going to select command plus W to close it. So this is how you can close the new browsing tab or the previous browsing tab. Now if you have created multiple tabs like this, and if you want to switch between the tabs, how can you do that? So let me open few website first. So let's say if I open multiple tabs over here. So to switch between all these tabs, all you need to do is you need to press Ctrl plus tab on your keyboard, and by that you can switch between the browsing tabs. So now you know how to switch between multiple browsing tabs in your Mac. Now the next shortcut is really very helpful in terms of navigating between the browsing pages. So let's say if I open Apple on google.com, and then if I go to Apple website, and after that if I go to accessories section, and then if I select iPad. So now you can see we have came on different pages, right? So now if I want to go back on the browsing page, so there is a shortcut for that, and that is if you press command plus left square bracket, you will go to previous page. Again, if you do the same thing, it will take me to the previous page. Again, if I press command plus square bracket, now it will take me to previous page. So this was navigating through the different browsing page. So this was going backwards. Now if you want to go forward or on the next page, how can you do that? Press command plus right square key, right, on your keyboard, and if you do that, it will take me to the next page. So this is how you can navigate. You can go forward or backward in your browsing pages. So the last shortcut for today's video is related to opening previously closed tab. So as you can see, I'm already on one tab. If I open new tab, and if I open Google, and again if I search for Apple, so currently I'm on this page right now. So accidentally if I close this tab, so if I press command plus W to close this tab, now you can see that page is gone. But to bring that page back, all you need to do is you need to press shift plus command plus T on your keyboard, and it will take you back to that page, and it will take you to the same page where you left it. So yeah, this is one software which can definitely help many of us. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.